Annyeonghaseyo, it's Janine. So I just wanted to say thank you for this one tray of egg. I already bought it today. So I'm very, very grateful for this blessing that I received. It's Janine. 감사합니다. 1, 2, 3, go. Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Michael.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher.
So yesterday you were not around. So I was in your behalf, I was the one who received your blessings from. You received 500 pesos from Chocominim.
Chocominim, 감사합니다.
And you also received 1 tray of egg from SJ Nim.
SJ Nim, 감사합니다.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
7 types of short stories. Anecdote. From anecdote, a brief personal story that shares an experience or lesson, often funny or though provoking, and usually come from real life moments. So anecdote, first nga types na short stories. May kaduha nga types of short stories kay Drabble. A very short story that is exactly 100 words long. It challenges the writer to be a clear, concise, and creative. Ito siya ang trouble. Then, katulong ko ang kay Fighoot. Ang Fighoot kay mo siyang short story that ends with a pun or wordplay, usually in humorous. It's set up a serious or dramatic tone, but the punchlines surprises the reader. Nato ang katulungan ko ang Fighoot. Anecdote, Drabble, Fighoot. So, kaupat, Fable. A short story that teaches a moral lesson, often using animals or personified objects as character. Fable, anecdote, Drabble, Fighoot, Fable. Naman siya, kapat na. Kalima nga 7 types. Kalima nga types of short story is flash fiction or microfiction. A complete story told in less than 1,000 words. It still has a character conflict and resolution, but is told quickly and effectively. Lima na. So, flash fiction or microfiction. So, siya.